Okay, we're going to build a ring here. And this was a request sent in by a Facebook's follower, Facebook subscriber, follower, subscriber, whatever you call them. Soon to be client. How about that? We're going to build this here, 14 karat white gold. We're going to do a halo here, and we're going to put some diamonds in the shank here, running down this side view here. Alrighty, and we're going to leave the center stone. I preset this here at 3/4 of a carat, and this is an Asher cut. It's a square. An Asher cut is very similar to a princess cut, except the pavilion, the bottom portion, the cone shape, the cone portion of the diamond, the bottom portion that's under the girdle, it's more of a step cut as opposed to a cone. So you can see straight through an Asher cut, very similar to an emerald cut. Okay, so it's not as brilliant, not as dispersive. However, they're normally high clarity stones, and they're very beautiful. But it's totally different from a round brilliant or a square princess cut. Alrighty, so let's change this here. Let's move this guy over here. We're going to make this in 14 karat white gold. Okay, so I have my primary color here is 14 karat white, and what we're going to do, we're at a size 7 finger. I think we're going to change these prongs also. We're going to do something with the prongs up here too. I have some notes here I have to go. I'm going to add a halo here. And we are putting some black diamonds in here also. Yes, we're putting some black diamonds in here. We're keeping this halo. This halo is going to be colorless. So here we have a colorless halo, and there's 3 levels here. It's going to graduate from side, from row to row. So here are our diamonds, also 3 rows, and this is what we call a paved setting. It's a shared prong setting here. These are all called pavés, and all these are full cut diamonds. You know, a lot of people that wear these type of stones refer to them as chips, diamond chips. It's not a chip. Diamond has to be cut for it to shine, and these here are all fully cut diamonds here, no chips. Okay. Alrighty, so let's change here. Let's do the head first. I think we were doing something with the maybe we weren't. Yes, we were. Okay, now watch the prongs here. These 4 prongs. This is a 4-prong. This diamond is set in 4 prongs, set with 4 prongs. So we can change these prongs here. She wanted a triangle. The triangle style here. So everything stays the same except for those prongs, which I actually prefer this rounder here, but we're going to go with this here. This is what's called for. Okay, so we move back here. All that's still the same. And again, the shank here, all 14 karat white gold. Here's 14 karat white gold. And we're changing, now watch this here. We're going to add some black diamonds in here. Move this guy now. Move him over here. So these are diamonds that I have in inventory. I can pull from everything here, and it tells me what I have in inventory, what I do not. So here, I'll flip this sucker around. I'm adding diamonds here, and these are going to be black. So we have a black diamond going down the center. Let me see here. We want that to stay the same. Okay, well, let me get out of here. Now I'm playing around, so we're going to leave that the way it is. That's what it calls for. Done. Okay, so we have here our 3/4 of a carat. So we have about 1.5 carats total weight. Center stone is about 3/4 of a carat. Yeah, just shy of 90 points. So that's a sketch of the ring that we're going to make. I'm going to render this out. Once we make this ring, set the stones, it looks identical to this here. Since the stones are all in stock, this is about a 2-week job. So now this here is the rendering that we're going to see. Once we build the mold, the wax, pour the gold, set the diamonds, final polish, 2 weeks later, your ring's ready. This rendering is a little slow here due to the computer speed and my files that I have on the computer. Now it's coming alive. Look at this baby. So this is our final render. This is our render. Once we make this ring, it looks identical to this here. Once I get the approval from the client, we move forward. Let me show you another angle here. So this is a side view angle. Again, remember, all 14 karat white gold. We're 1.5 carats in diamonds. That's including the center stone. And the black that you see is actually black diamond with colorless diamond on each side of the shank. Thanks, guys, for taking the time to look at this here and also call me. And also, we can do this from my desk here in my studio while you sit on your couch with your laptop or phone. So if you have any other requests, please give me a call or contact me. Here, we have the 3 rows, black diamonds in the center. These are the prongs, the 14 karat white gold prongs that you will see with the black diamonds due to the color contrast. And then here you have the colorless diamonds. The halo is a stepped halo where we have 3 different rows, 1, 2, and then 3, all colorless. And we can add diamonds up there, different colors if you want to, however you would like. However, the customer asked for this style. Thank you very much. Any questions, please give me a call. My number here is 614 416-7696, and all the consultations are free of charge. Thank you. Bye.